beat up truck on an old dirt road. It's a crying in the rain when the wind turns cold. It's an empty glass and a love gone wrong. My life is just like a country song. It's like that first kiss when you're holding on tight, when two boys love one girl and you know they're gonna fight. It's these 18 wheels bring me home where I belong. My life's just like a country song. I spend all my time in these smoky bars on a stage too small against a neon wall, and with a crowd that just can't stop singing along. My life's just like a country song. It's like winners and losers and a couple broken hearts, and a girl from my hometown who tore my world apart, or a high school rebel pretending that he's strong. Yeah, my life's just like a country song. I spend all my time in these smoky bars on a stage too small against a neon wall, and with a crowd that just can't stop singing along. My life's just like a country song. My life's a beat up truck on an old dirt road. It's a crying in the rain when the wind turns cold. It's an empty glass and a love gone wrong. My life is just like a country song. My life is just like a country song. My life is just